This one. It's a big one.
There you go.
It's
you
Christmas.
Wanna open presents?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, look, and this is the camera.
Alright, so here's your first present. This one's from Auntie Heather and Uncle Jim. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Open it.
That's right.
That's right. Keep going. There you go. Yay!
What is it?
What's that, Jesse?
That's a planet.
Book with planets?
Oh, cool.
Does it have your favorite
Take
in
a
it?
look at that. Wow.
It's funny, we were just talking about Jupiter.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Do you think you can find Jupiter?
What's
Yeah. Which one is that?
this?
Which one's that?
That.
I don't even know what that is. Looks like a bowling ball. Cool. Let's take a look.
Want to find your favorite planets?
Blue. Wow.
Look.
This is something.
That's right. It's the sun.
It's the sun. The sun.
Yeah.
The sun. So what's the Neptune?
Neptune?
Yeah.
Cool. You know your planets more than I do. Oh, I just read
It's
it.
actually worse.
Yep, close enough.
That's the inside the Mars. That's the really big.
Uh-huh. Which one's that, Jesse, with the ring around it?
The Neptune's too cold.
That's right. Neptune is very cold.
Neptune,
Good
that's right.
job.
Wow. That's the inside.
What about this, Jesse? Which one's that?
That one's so crazy.
It's Saturn, Jesse.
That's what is that?
It's Uranus.
That's a
All right, Jesse, are you ready for another gift?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's a big one. It's a big gift.
Open.
That's from Uncle Jim.
Like that?
It's a planet.
Check it out. Look
Planet.
at that. That is cool.
Planet.
Planets, that's right.
Wow. Sun. That's a little sun. Open.
Whoops. Ta-da.
Look, it's a planet.
That, Jesse, what are you holding?
Which planet is that?
What's that?
What do you think it is?
That's a planet.
Which planet is it, Jesse?
That's right.
That's a...
That's right, Saturn. I was going to see if you remember. It used to come on a barn. I don't know
Planet
why.
barn.
It's like a ball.
Chickens and cats.
So where's your favorite planet?
That's a Jupiter.
That's right.
That's a, I think of Mars. My favorite planet.
Mars is small. It's got Mars.
Alright. Sun over here.
We'll open the sun.
This is how we put it together.
So,
We're missing two plants. Where'd they go?
Daddy, look at this. Daddy,
Yeah.
it's Christmas.
Christmas.